Hello students, welcome back to science class. I am back with the new topic of the lesson number 5, acid, bases and salt, part 3. So before starting the new topic of the lesson, let's revise what we have learned in previous videos. We have learned about acid, bases, some natural indicators, and in last video we have learned about neutralization process. So what is the definition of neutralization? The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed, and the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Once again, what is the definition of neutralization is the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Hydrochloric acid HCl plus sodium hydroxide NaOH gives sodium chloride NaCl, that is salt plus water H2O. Now we'll start new topic of the lesson, neutralization in everyday life. So you know about the process of neutralization and how neutralization process help us in everyday life. One by one we'll see that. So start with the new topic, indigestion. First of all, what is the meaning of indigestion? Indigestion means sometimes we eat too much food, sometimes we eat very much spicy food, and because of that we feel uneasiness, stomach ache and like vomiting. So generally what are you doing because when indigestion happen? Generally you take some antacid such as milk of magnesia or Diagen syrup or Diagen tablet. So have you ever think why you take this only? So let's explain. First of all, in chapter 2 you have learned about our stomach contains hydrochloric acid and it helps us to digest food. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juices to act. But sometimes too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. And you know indigestion is painful. So to relieve indigestion, generally you take antacid. As I told you, antacid such as milk of magnesia, Diagen syrup or Diagen tablet, which contain magnesium hydroxide. Why? Because already acid is present in your stomach and you take some basic syrup, so that base will neutralize the effect of excessive acid in your stomach and you feel relief. So we know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which help in the digestion of food. But sometimes the stomach releases too much of acid which leads to indigestion or sometimes hyperacidity. Hence we need to neutralize this acid by taking substances that are basic in nature, commonly known as antacid. For example, milk of magnesia is a basic substance that can neutralize the effect of stomach. Second is ant bite. So how neutralization help us when ant bite? So you know, when ant bite, your skin become red and itchy skin. So what happen when ant bite? When ant bite, it injects the acidic liquid into the skin. Which acidic liquid? Formic acid, that I told you in first part. Formic acid found in ant bite. So when an ant bite, it injects the acidic liquid, that is formic acid, into the skin. And because of the effect of the acid, your skin become red and you feel itchy. So what you have to do? You have to rub some basic solution to neutralize the effect of the acid. So the effect of the acid can be neutralized by the rubbing of baking soda on it. Take some baking soda, put some water in it. Now make a paste. Now apply this paste on your skin. So base present in baking soda will neutralize the effect of the acid present in your skin. Or calamine lotion also you can use, which contain zinc carbonate, and you feel relief. So the irritation of the skin due to ant bite is caused because of the presence of formic acid that the ant injects into the skin while biting. Hence, we use a basic substance to neutralize the effect. For example, baking soda or hydrogen carbonate, calamine solution or zinc carbonate are generally used to treat ant bite. Third is soil treatment. So you know, nowadays farmers use chemical fertilizers. So excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is too acidic or too basic. So when the soil is too acidic, they has to neutralize it with basic solution, and when soil is too basic, they has to neutralize with acidic solution. So when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with the bases like quicklime, means calcium oxide, or slackline, means calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Why? Because organic matter releases acid, and which acid neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So plant grow well. Plants need a soil which is neutral in nature, but using chemical fertilizers, what happen on soil can turn it into acidic. So to treat acidic soil, we use quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slackline, that is calcium hydroxide. Basic soil can be treated by adding organic substances to it as they releases acidic while decomposing into the soil. Now number 4 is factory waste. You know that factory waste contain too much acids. Now when this type of acidic factory waste allowed to flow into the river or water bodies, what happen? Acid present in factory waste will kill fish and other aquatic organisms. It means acid present in the factory waste is harmful for aquatic plants and animals. So before throwing it into river bodies, it has to neutralize by adding some basic substance. So the waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the river or water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. So the aquatic plants and animals will save. The factory waste is acidic in nature and cannot be directly dumped anywhere. Hence, bases are added to it before it falls off into a river or stream, so that the aquatic life does not get affected or harmed. So students, at the end of this lesson, let's revise what we have learned in this lesson. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Acids turn blue litmus red, while bases turn red litmus blue. Substances which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral. Solution of substances that show different color in acidic, basic and neutral solution are called indicators. An acid and a base neutralize each other and form a salt. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. The definition of neutralization. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. So student, I hope you understood. I will explain textual exercise in next videos. Till then, go through the video twice for better understanding. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.